was the first Indian to win individual gold medal at the Commonwealth Games? Option A, P.T. Usha. Option B, Milkha Singh. Option C, Dhyan Chand. Option D, Pan Singh Tomar. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh, who is also called as Flying Sikh, passed away recently due to COVID. He was 91 years old. Milkha Singh won India's first individual gold medal at the Commonwealth Games in 1958 in Wales. Milkha Singh was a soldier and a track and field sprinter who represented India in various international events and brought laurels to the country. Second question. What is another name for blood cancer? Option A, leukemia. Option B, carcinoma. Option C, sarcoma. Option D, melanoma. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, leukemia. Leukemia, a type of cancer found in your blood and bone marrow. It is caused by the rapid production of abnormal white blood cells. The high number of abnormal white blood cells are not able to fight infection and they impair the ability of the bone marrow to produce red blood cells and platelets. Third question. Which of the following animals has the longest lifespan? Option A, tortoise. Option B, elephant. Option C, crocodile. Option D, dog. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, tortoise. Tortoises are the longest living land animal in the world, although the longest living species of tortoise is a matter of debate. Galapagos tortoises are noted to live over 150 years, but an Aldabra giant tortoise named Advaita may have been the longest living at an estimated 255 years. Fourth question. Which organization has launched door-to-door delivery of diesel? Option A, Hindustan Petroleum. Option B, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Option C, Indian Oil Corporation. Option D, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has launched door-to-door delivery of diesel to meet the growing demand. The company will deliver the fuel through 15 mobile browsers and 9 jerrycan facilities in different corners of the eastern region. The company has already launched 63 mobile dispensers serving the needs in the states of West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Northeast states. Fifth question. India's first oxygen express carried oxygen to which state? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Assam. Option D, Haryana. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. The country's very first oxygen express departed from Andhra Pradesh to supply oxygen to the state of Maharashtra. The rural service operated by Central Railways is ferrying oxygen from Visakhapatnam steel plant to meet the sudden surge in oxygen demand in Maharashtra due to COVID-19 pandemic. Sixth question. Which of the following is the state festival of Telangana? Option A, Dasara. Option B, Holi. Option C, Ugadi. Option D, Bonalu. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, Bonalu. After the formation of Telangana state in 2014, the Telangana Rashtra Samiti government had declared Bonalu as the state festival. Ashada Bonalu is the Telangana state festival held in the month of Ashada according to Hindu calendar, celebrating goddess Mahankali. 7th question. What is glyphosate, which was recently banned by Telangana government? Option A, herbicide. Option B, fertilizer. Option C, pesticide. Option D, fungicide. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, herbicide. Glyphosate is a herbicide which is used to kill weeds, especially used in cotton farms, and to kill annual broadleaf weeds and grasses that compete with crops. The Telangana government has imposed a total ban on glyphosate, a controversial herbicide, as the chemical's rampant use, especially in cotton, is polluting soil and causing health hazards to human beings. 8th question. Summer campaign has been launched by which state? Option A, Jharkhand. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Assam. Option D, Meghalaya. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Jharkhand. The state government of Jharkhand launched a campaign named Summer. It aims to tackle malnutrition in the state by identifying anemic women and malnourished children. It would converge various state departments and agencies to effectively reduce anemia in the state. 9th question. Kimberley process is related to which among the following? Option A, gold. Option B, diamonds. Option C, semi-precious stones. Option D, aluminium. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, diamonds. The Kimberley process is a commitment to remove conflict diamonds from the global supply chain. India was one of the founder participants in the Kimberley process certification scheme. Launched in 2003, the Kimberley process is a coalition of governments, civil society, and the diamond industry to eliminate the trade in so-called conflict diamonds. Last and final question. Which of the following states of India has the largest area? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Uttar Pradesh. Option C, Rajasthan. Option D, Tamil Nadu. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state in northern India. It covers 3,42,239 square kilometers or 10.4% of India's total geographical area. It is the largest Indian state by area and the 7th largest by population. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. మీ సమాధానాలను మరియు మీ అభిప్రాయాలను కామెంట్స్ రూపంలో తెలియజేయండి. మీరు టీసాట్ నుంచి ఎటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలను వీక్షించాలని అనుకుంటున్నారో ఈ క్రింది వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ ద్వారా మీ సందేశాలను పంచుకోగలరు. వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ 7337558051.